Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club. Welcome to the weekly Forex forecast and market review. Today we are in the video for the week starting of 5th of June, and we have several very exciting instruments I would like to cover. Some of them would be a review and a follow-up to the previous weeks. And I have on my list the CAD and the NASDAQ from the previous weekly video, which, by the way, if you missed, you can find in the channel and watch the full analysis behind it. Why did I look to trade the way I did? Also, I'll talk about the euro dollar, a pair that we've been following in the last few weeks, and the Aussie dollar, two great instruments which I find interesting. But before we go to the charts, talking about all the techniques and everything, if you are new to this channel, welcome to our amazing community. Please subscribe with the subscribe button below this video, and remember to enable the notifications so you get so you know when there is a new content available for you. And also I invite you to our trading family, Traders Academy Club, where you will get your access to our full free VIP price action course. Well, you will enjoy from all the real-time trading ideas, and mainly with a big focus on a real-time trading education. Every single trading opportunity comes with a detailed, dedicated video explaining the techniques behind it. A very important part in your journey in the trading world. Join our family with the link below this video in the description. And now to the charts. So as I said, I would like to follow up on the pairs that I shared with you so we can have a flow on them. The first one we were talking about the previous week was NASDAQ, and then the CAD franc, and then the other ones. So on the NASDAQ, our plan from previous week was buy the dips, which worked pretty nicely during this week and took us all the way to the next important volume zone until it was blocked with a bearish divergence. So the biggest question is what's coming next? And before I go and explain the technique here and why I am not rushing in a sell while everyone is panicking, I'll try to explain it in a better way. I would like to remind you, or to let you know if you just watch it for the first time, these two indicators that you see on my screen, the volume profile indicator, key trading level indicator, that helps you to control everything in the comfort of one beautiful toolbar here. It's based on volume profile, and this virtual trading pen, the one that I draw and make my multi-time frame analysis on the MT4, helps me to save images and prepare my trading plan, available for you for absolutely free. Below this video in the description, you can find the links, virtual trading pen and the KDL indicator. Follow the links, download, install, enjoy. And if you find that useful and helpful for what we do for the community, please show your support back. It's very much appreciated, of course, very much needed for this channel to keep staying relevant and help other traders who can find that useful in their trading journey. So please hit the like button, drop some words in the comment section. Your feedback is very much appreciated. Thank you very much in advance, of course. And feel free to share it with anyone who you want and who you believe can benefit watching this video. So why, despite the fact that everyone is trying to scare us that we are in bubble of all times and it's all about to crash and get worse and worse, which, by the way, I agree. I don't think the situation is too good in a nowadays economy. But I do think that while everyone is rushing into sell, the the opportunity for the more professional traders to try and to trap them on the go. It's it's simply appealing, and it's more than amazing opportunity now to create the traps, as everyone is rushing just to sell off, and the professional traders could go and pick up some of these opportunities. So again, I do believe that we will see the price continue lower. I think that judging the, where is that? Here, judging the weekly time frame, I believe that eventually we should see the price pushing a bit further, but I do not think that the pullback is over. And even if it's just pushing from here, I don't think it's for something major. I think every drop is an opportunity to go against the panic and enjoy the rally. This rally is the rally of opportunities, and mainly create sort of a trap. So those who make a sell-off starts to believe that it's time to buy for all-time highs, and then as they start to buy, make the next significant move to the downside. I might be absolutely wrong in my view, of course, but usually that's a classical market conditions now to create this sort of traps. And that's why I personally, exactly like I explained the previous week, I believe that it was a buy the dip. Now it is blocked on an important rejection area. Look at this volume daily and weekly, right? And once again, I would like to remind you guys, these indicators, the KTL indicator and my amazing virtual trading pen, which I analyze with, are available for you for free. Below this video in the description, you will find the links to them. Virtual trading pen, KTL indicator, download, install, enjoy. So what I expect to see from here is, as we've had the first corrective leg broken into 3 waves, I believe that now we will see some sort of ABCD correction before a possible continuation upside, or a classical range. So something like that, right? With some movement inside the range before we take one more rally. So the reason I think that, by the way, is if we go to the higher time frame, I believe that it should find some sort of a comfort here, build the next divergence for us, take us back to the volume zone, back to the swing highs of the move down, back to the falling resistance. So the closer we get there, the better, and maybe even the more rewarding the next sell-off opportunities would start to be. This is why I personally would be after buying these dips. Of course, not just blindly like, oh, there is a dip, I buy. I'll be waiting for my opportunities, for bullish signs, bullish divergences, bullish structure on the lower time frame. Then when the price starts to create a higher highs, higher lows, to get some indication that the buyers are back in the game. Okay, and then I am back in the game. So let me know, what do you think about the NASDAQ? How do you see this one? The next one was the CAD franc. As we discussed in the previous week, we want to see this rallying taking place until we slow down like we do here. So we have the zone of rejection here, previous swing highs of the uptrend, beautiful volume area from the daily chart, as you can see here, a bearish divergence that starts to develop on the histogram. So the sell should come in once the price flips. As for now, in the correction, we create higher highs, higher lows. At the moment it changes and makes lower lows, this is our time to look and sell the rallies. So this is the low I want to be broken before sell the rallies, or if it improves the divergence here to the moving average and better low, then I'll be looking for the next low and then sell the rallies. Well, this is the cat franc follow-up, easy and short, nothing more to say, as the price simply follows what we wanted to see from it. So the euro dollar is the next one, and I've been talking about the euro dollar a lot recently in my channel. If you missed these videos on this pair, you can find them. I'll put also a link right now in the right top corner here. You can find the last video available on the euro dollar. So what we wanted to see basically is correction down, which I believe is still happening, and then buy the dips. For the same logic, like I explained with the indices, I believe that while everyone would be rushing to sell and increase their sell on the go, it's a classical trapping opportunity to create something like that. Ideally take us back to the falling resistance, important swings here, and next one, right? The closer we get there, the stronger the sell should be. This is why for me, it's still buy the dips. And look what happened here. At the end of this move down, right, and the bullish divergence that we saw here, lower lows on the chart, higher lows on the indicator, and then we flip making higher highs on the chart, right? So what happened since is 3 higher highs, higher lows in play, which makes me think exactly like with indices, we should see ABCD correction before the next rally takes place, or some sort of a range before the next rally takes place. So buy the dips is still my plan here, after ABCD correction or after a ranging correction. That's usually the two structures that the market loves to follow. Okay, what do you think on the euro dollar? And are you fully bearish and expecting new lows, or do you believe that the current correction is still ongoing and we should see 109, maybe even 110 reached before the next sell opportunity comes in? Let me know, how do you see the euro dollar on the comment section below this video. And the last one for today would be the Aussie dollar, where we have two interesting opportunities. The first one is for the longer run. Let me quickly show you here. So on the long run, based on the monthly analysis, I would expect to see ABCD correction to this one. Taking that to the next step, on the weekly chart, we got a classical correction with a bullish divergence. Lower lows on the chart, higher lows on the MACD moving average, right? We retest the lows, the low of the uptrend, the low of the downtrend, right? Beautiful area. And it's so far respecting the 070 psychological level. After this harami structure here, we see 3 higher highs, higher lows. We can argue about this, how valid this harami is, but it's an inner candle with which after we saw 3 higher highs, higher lows taking place. Now we're back to the massive volume area. So I believe now with these highs being retested, we have one here, the next ones are slightly higher. I believe that from these areas, we should see the price making a correction here or here, making the correction, which I'll be looking again to buy, exactly like with the euro dollar and with the indices. Okay, so what levels we have here in place, since this high is broken, the lows before this one is the significant one. The low of the uptrend also stands here and here, right? These two zones are the classical zones to look after the correction takes place, to look for bullish signs. Again, I'm not going to buy blindly, but bullish signs. For example, a pullback and a bullish hidden divergence. So higher lows on the chart after a pullback, lower lows on the indicator would be a great indication that something might be building up here for a buy. And then on the lower time frame, I would want to see the price flipping, right, from the lower lows and lower highs to higher highs, and then it should provide us the opportunity to buy. So this is how I see the Aussie dollar. Let me know, what do you think about this one? And once again, I would like to remind you that download these indicators, the KTL indicator and the virtual trading plan indicator, below this video in the description. You will find the link to them, and just follow the link, download, install, enjoy. They're absolutely amazing indicators, very helpful in trading. And now I would like to thank you for your time watching this video. I wish you and yours all the best. Happy summer to those of you who are in this part of the world enjoying the summer. And once again, welcome to our trading family, Traders Academy Club. Enjoy the best value we have to offer for you, as you see in this very image. And if you have any questions, feel free to write in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer as soon as possible. Thank you for your time. All the best, and I'll see you soon with more. Bye for now.